I'm Ri, an alien cat, and I'm here with another video. In this video, I will be showing you all on how I made my own stickers. As you can see here, I tried to learn how to make my own by watching videos on YouTube, and then I tried to make my own sticker using my iPad, and then I tried to print them out, but they all did not turn out the way I wanted. So I have another idea. For this idea, we need a set of color pencils and some papers and some other things that you may or may not already have at your home or at your office or maybe at your school or maybe any nearby stores. You will see what I mean soon. And here is my sketches. Yeah. Okay, talking about my idea, I got this idea while I was thinking on how to make a sticker with a good color quality as an end result. Then I tried to search this idea of mine through YouTube and to see if anyone has similar idea as mine, and then I realized no one has done it yet. So yeah, I think this is interesting to share this idea with you guys. Yeah. And after this, it is a chill zone now, and I will leave for now, and I will talk with you guys again after this. Yeah. I'm done with the illustration now, and oops, there's a tea drop there. Yeah, I was drinking tea while I was making this. Alright, so now we will be proceeding to the next idea of mine. So yeah, so first things first, we need sticker paper. which is something I forgot to mention at the earlier of this video. So yeah. Alright, so okay, let's go and see what I meant. Okay, alright, my idea is that I'm gonna photocopy of this illustration into my sticker paper. Yeah. At first I wasn't sure how this will turn out, but yeah, you guys will see it soon. Yeah, it surprised me as well. So yeah. Okay, as you can see here, it turned out really amazing, which is making me so happy. Yeah, as I saw this at first, it's really making me like happy to see the result. Yeah, so let's see, let's look up closer. So as you can see here, that I tried to print them out like 2 times, and the second time I print it out, there's a white line, but it doesn't bother me that much, but still good enough. And there's a dirt there. Yeah. Okay, this is a comparison. The first sticker I made using my digital illustration, and compared to this traditional way of illustration, just just photocopy it to my sticker paper, is already look better. Yeah. So yeah, it's really amazing. I really like the idea. Okay, after this I'm just gonna cut it out. Yeah. Oh, I'm gonna put text here and there. Yeah, as you can see throughout the video. So because just in case if I forgot to say or mention anything. So yeah. Alright, I'm gonna stop right here, and I will talk with you guys again after this. Now we will be proceeding to the next idea of mine. Right now we are using a small knife to make a kiss cut things. You know, the thing that people usually does for their stickers. So yeah. So let's see how it goes. So yeah, I did try my best to do a clean kiss cuttings, but it's not that clean enough. So as you can see here, yeah, it's not that really good enough. So that's why I think like scissor is a better option for this. Yeah, usually people use a machine to do Rocky's cat. So yeah, I think that's all of my video today. So thanks for watching. Bye.